heading down to where Foster is on his second one, and they sent him a load of crap mud. So, and I told this customer last time this happened that we got to fix something, and he's done it to us again. So anyway, it's just frustrating, people not listening to you, and then they try to tell you there's something wrong with your machine. There's nothing wrong with that machine. He can't even get it to go around the valve. It's so rocky and crunchy. So anyway, I got a little bit of a drive, and I'm heading down there now to go see if I can't help out on this situation and this. But just frustrating, man. These people just do not listen to us and get us the mixes we need. So it's not a hose issue. You can't get it in the hose. So anyway, I'll get pulled up there. I'll holler at you in a minute. We'll see what the situation looks like. So talk to you in a minute. Well, this sounds like it's turning into a shit show in a hurry. So let's see what we got going on. What do you got there?
I got one blown out. Now I'm going to hook to this one and beat on it and try to get this blown out. Where's the ball at?
What's down there?
Oh, 17. todo bien, ¿no? Todo ahí. Sí.
Yeah, here's the deal. There's no cream. They didn't put any, there's not any Portland. It's all sand and rock. And that's it. I don't know how the guys got it pumped as far as they did. It's just sand and rock. It's 50-50 mix, but there's no Portland in it. And now all the water's run out of it, and it's all locked up in these hoses. Thankfully, it's not setting up. It's just locked up with the sand and rock, so we're able to get them rolled out. That's a 50-50 mix. There's no Portland in it.
There's nothing.
I don't know how it got this far.
There's no concrete in it. That's what I'm all the time.
There's no cement. What's happening is since there's no cement, all the water has run out of it, and now it's all sandlocked. Exactly. Y'all got that cleaned out? Yeah. Y'all got the little hammer? Yeah. Let me have this. They're gonna bring pre-gravel next. I said they need to make sure they bring some cement also. There's no cement in this crap. How much is left in this one?
I don't think water coming
No, the water's already coming out.
You got water coming out, okay.
Well, they're all cleaned out already.
That's good. You don't have to put any more in. We just need to roll it, make sure we get all the debris out of it.
Yeah, we already wrote
They don't need more water. We'll just end up making a big mud hole. Where are we going to? Over there? Okay. I told the customer that this will be the last time that these guys will put mud in this pump. I'm gonna finish this job right here, and I told him, don't ever, if he wants us to pump the jobs for him, that's fine. But I'm not pumping their stuff anymore, because this has happened before with them, and it's junk. The concrete's junk. I don't mean to be negative, but it's just the way it is. I mean, where's everybody out at 3 o'clock in the afternoon after we've all been up since 4 o'clock in the morning to have that kind of stuff happen? So we'll see what happens this round. We'll see if they either learn their lesson or that stuff's been sitting there for 3 hours. This material right here, that's been sitting there for 3 hours. Look at that. That's been sitting there for 3 hours. It's 85 degrees out here also. So This definitely feels a lot better. But this is that, I mean, that's not even set up. So there wasn't any cement in this mix. It's sand and rock was right, but no cement. Of course, it makes a damn mess all through here by doing that. And everybody looks at the pump company like, why couldn't you get it pumps? When you see a big mess like this every 25 feet, but what do you do? You on the phone with him?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, every 25 feet we got piles. We're ready to clean these hoses out. Stop him?
Big difference in the color.
Oh, it's clean.
Yeah, that was from the first batch.
Well, look at it, it's not even set up.
The stuff that we dumped out front, it's full, they got full of water.
It's not even set up.
Y'all ready?
Yeah. I can't believe they got it pumped out into the hose with it like that. That shocks me. I should have never pumped. Tells you how good that pump is. That guy saying there's something wrong.
Stop.
That guy saying something's wrong with my pump.
Turn on the pump, start pumping. Go ahead.
I set the camera down over there and I couldn't find it, so I had to log onto my phone to find the camera and see which way it was pointing, and I found the view it had. Technology is awesome sometimes. We're sucking the sponge back now. We'll put what's in here and back in the truck. What a mess. This stuff hadn't even set up. There was no Portland or cement in that mix. Look at that. Hadn't even set up. That's been well over 3 hours ago. I don't even know how they got it pumped that far. Honestly, I'm shocked that we got that pumped as far as we did. I don't know how it happened, but go tell you, those swing pumps are pretty daggum strong pumps. So unfortunately, the guys have got a mess to clean up, you know. That sucks for the concrete contractor, but you know, stuff happens, but they shouldn't be responsible for having to clean all this mess up. Wasn't their fault at all. Got a little air leaking on that collar, but that's all right, it's sucking back. We're gonna get this mess picked up. We've had quite the day today. I've had enough excitement one man my size needs to handle. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you hadn't, like and share, we really appreciate it. And let the comments fly. That's all I can say. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.